and we have palpated the trapezium. The trapezium has a ridge on it, but they make up the radial borders or pillars of the carpal tunnel. And so the carpal tunnel lies right in that direction between your distal wrist crease and these other two pillars, the hook of the hamate and the ridge of the trapezium. All right, from that point, we are going to palpate the metacarpals and the phalanges. The thumb, remember, only has 2 phalanges, where the 2nd through 5th fingers have 3 phalanges. This you can do, and I'm only going to do a couple of them, but we have a base, a shaft, and a head. On all of the fingers, and this is the same with the toes, the bases are proximal, the heads are distal. The bases are concave in shape, the heads are convex in shape, just like the head, your head is convex in shape. So we can palpate the bases, the shafts, and the heads, the bases, the shafts, and the heads, the bases, the shafts, and the heads of each finger. Here is the 2nd metacarpal, proximal phalange, middle, and distal phalanges. There are 3 ligaments that we want to be concerned about at the wrist. They are the radial and ulnar collateral ligaments and the transverse carpal ligaments. Now I'm going to do the transverse carpal ligaments first, and this is going to be hard to feel, but at the same time you just have to know where it is, mainly for manual skills and electrotherapy application. So we palpate the pisiform and the hook of the hamate, the tubercle of the scaphoid, and the ridge of the trapezium, and as long as we can pinpoint those particular landmarks, we know that our transverse carpal ligament is between those two. The ulnar collateral ligament, we simply go from the ulnar styloid process and we go just distal to that, and we can actually give a little bit of radial deviation, and you will actually feel that ligament tighten up in your hand or underneath your palpation finger. To palpate the radial collateral ligament, we simply palpate the styloid process of the radius, go just distal, and give a little bit of ulnar deviation, and you should feel that ligament tighten up underneath your palpation finger.